สวัสดีค่ะ
My name is Majima Suvichasophon.
My name is Gorn Hemamrod.
My name is Thanyanan Phunbandansingh.
My name is เจ้าไหมตั้งสิริพัฒน์ We are students from Chulalongkorn University Demonstration Secondary School. Today we would like to present our team invention, Less Snore, More Sleep, a novel anti-snoring system.
As you know, people spend 1/3 of the day sleeping. Sleeping is vital as it enables the body to repair and be fit.
It is important to have a quality sleep as it boosts better work engagement and commitment. On the contrary, sleep deprivation negatively affects quality of life, work performance, and productivity. Several medical research conclude that snoring and sleep apnea is common in general population. It also relates to stroke and heart attack. Moreover, according to the most recent study from the University of Warsaw, COVID-19 patients with sleep apnea could be a higher risk and could have 3 times greater risk of dying than those with normal health condition. Are you and your loved one among those who have sleep problems?
When you breathe, air travels through your nose, down the throat, through the windpipe, and into your lungs. The narrowest part of that pathway is in the back of your throat. When you're awake, muscles keep that pathway relatively wide open. But when you sleep, those muscles relax, allowing the opening to narrow. The air passing through this narrowed opening may cause the soft palate to vibrate. This causes snoring.
Snoring is a form of sleep disorder breathing, interfere with sleep quality and sleep quantity, both for the person who snores and for the person who sleeps with a snorer.
Poor quality and insufficient sleep from snoring affect on physical, mental, and intellectual health. Lack of sleep makes us irritable, fatigued, short-tempered, and exhaustion. It's also hard to be concentrated during the day, which affect on work performance and productivity. Besides, it may cause an accident.
Moreover, loud snoring is one of the biggest signs of obstructive sleep apnea, a serious condition linked to snoring. It is a condition where your breathing repeatedly stops while you sleep. This creates a cycle where breathing stops and you briefly wake up to clear the blockage, a process which can repeat itself hundreds of times throughout the night. It affecting the whole body system, brain, heart, respiratory, and blood circulatory system. It is a serious life-threatening problem.
In addition, snoring is quite prevalent. 40% of adult men and 24% of adult women are habitual snorers, and this condition becomes more common as you get older. What's more, snoring itself can become a focal point of frustration for both partners. Additionally, the snorer's shame or guilt could further interfere with the relationship. Snoring is the 3rd leading cause of divorce in the United States.
Current solutions such as using mouth guard, rain job, forward provide the airway. Disadvantage is that it doesn't fit with each individual oral cavity, causing even more insomnia. Currently available snoring pillows in the market are not good solution. Its disadvantage is fail to correct individual head and neck alignment. There is no system to detect when leaving the correct position. If in wrong position, may make dislodging irreversible, more uncomfortable. This pillow may not be the best option for active sleeper, since they may not keep an active sleeper from rolling onto the back. Using the snoring application only help monitoring how you sleep last night, how long you sleep, and how often you snore, but no algorithm to collect real time at the target point.
Our novel anti-snoring system. AI detection with personalized snoring pattern and special sleep apnea detection. 8 airbags used in repositioning, head, tilt, and widen airway. Less Snore More Sleep app linked with snoring detection and reposition head helper. Less Snore More Sleep app. There are two important functions. The first is AI detects severe snoring, sleep apnea with specific response algorithm. The second is head repositioning helper, a two-step AI algorithm to precisely control airflow that is medically effective with a special head tilt that is under patent registration process.
Less Snore More Sleep application operate with 8 airbag system. This is a special important airbag system. The first 4 airbags operate with pressure sensor to reposition head effectively regardless of where the head is on the pillow. The 5th and 6th airbag are very important to promote head tilt chin lift position, the best maneuver for opening airway in case of the sleep apnea. The last 2 airbags will help to promote side sleeping and prolong deep sleep, unlike the other that just turn the head regardless the following discomfort.
Product positioning. Less Snore More Sleep system address the two important marketing factors: user-friendly and reposition head safely and effectively. To correct the whole sleeping problem, our next opportunity is to develop the anti-snoring mattress. To reposition whole body, follow the algorithm we did from this device. Our invention is currently invested by Thai conglomerate Siam Cement Group and product development to scale up for commercial by Alamba Company, who special in airbag industry.
I had tried using Less Snore More Sleep pillow. It make me sleep better. I feel fresh and active whole day long.
Less Snore More Sleep anti-snoring system will make your sleep as best as you wish.
It will improve your quality of life, as it should be.
No
more snoring!